How to send HD photos and videos in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you send high quality photos and video in WhatsApp. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application WhatsApp with your account. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp, you'll got such interface. So from there you'll have to just open the conversation whom you want to send the HD photos or videos. So simply I'm choosing this one. Alright, so after you choose the conversation, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here you'll have to go the option plus icon just at the bottom left corner. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from here tap on photos, and now from this interface you can easily send the HD quality pictures. So for that you'll have to just select the picture whom you want to send. Alright, so after you select the picture you'll have to just tap on the HD option just at the top right corner of that section. So simply tap on that HD option. Alright, so after you select it you'll have to just tap on the send icon just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so here you can see I have successfully sent the HD quality pictures to this conversation. So as you can also do same in your videos. So for that again tap on plus icon from your photos and again select the videos, and from here tap on HD and tap on send. Alright, so as you can see this is the process to send HD photos or videos in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.